Building quality furniture that easily disassembles is a great solution for an on-the-go lifestyle. But drilling for cross dowel joints can be a frustrating and tedious pursuit. The Universal Cross Dowel Jig solves this problem by perfectly aligning the cross dowel and bolt holes on the same center line. Plus, drilling is quick and dead-on precise with the stainless steel bushings, which are adjustable along the laser engraved scales. The Universal Cross Dowel Jig is truly universal, accommodating most cross dowel sizes on the market, from tiny 1024s up to massive 3/8 inch 16 TPI versions, made for workbench leg stretchers. And since the dowel and bolt hole positions are adjustable, there are many joint style possibilities, like drilling a stopped hole for a blind joint. So start building custom knockdown furniture with the Universal Cross Dowel Jig. From Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.